By 2026, Israel's defense industry is setting a new standard in modern warfare. In just the past year, the world watched as an Arrow 3 interceptor erased an incoming missile over the Red Sea before it could threaten Israeli airspace. A glimpse of what's now possible. These breakthroughs go beyond incremental upgrades. Israel's arsenal now spans 4 critical domains. In the air, the Python 5 missile delivers pinpoint strikes. On the ground, the Carmel combat vehicle redefines armored mobility. At sea, the Seabreaker missile brings stealth and precision. And in cyberspace, Unit 8200 defends and disrupts with digital expertise. Each of these systems is designed to work as part of an integrated strategy, building a layered network of offense and defense. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 most advanced Israeli innovations and show how they combine to change the rules of conflict. To understand how Israel maintains air dominance in the face of new threats, let's start with the technologies that keep the skies secure. Missiles, drones, and advanced sky-based systems form the backbone of Israel's air dominance, each engineered to address a specific class of threat as part of a seamless, multi-layered shield. The stakes are high. Hypersonic missiles can cross borders in seconds, leaving virtually no margin for error. To counter these, Israel has introduced SkySonic, one of the first interceptors built specifically to engage Mach 5+ threats. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, SkySonic uses multi-stage propulsion for rapid acceleration and advanced maneuverability, while its AI-driven guidance continuously tracks and predicts the unpredictable flight paths of hypersonic weapons. This allows it to intercept targets in the upper atmosphere, where traditional systems fall short, offering a tailored response to the fastest and most elusive missiles in modern warfare. But not all threats come at hypersonic speed. The airspace is crowded with everything from enemy fighters to agile drones and cruise missiles. Here, the Python 5 missile stands out. Also developed by Rafael, the Python 5 is a 5th-generation air-to-air missile that can be launched from both aircraft and ground-based Spider systems. Its AI-guided electro-optical seeker allows it to lock onto targets after launch, meaning it can engage threats from any direction, even those that are not visible at the moment of firing. This post-launch targeting flexibility gives pilots and ground crews a critical edge, enabling rapid response to fast-changing battlefield conditions. The Python 5's proven accuracy and versatility have made it a core asset in intercepting evasive aircraft and drones, reinforcing Israel's ability to neutralize threats before they reach populated areas or strategic sites. The evolution of drone warfare has introduced new challenges, with swarms of small, low-cost UAVs overwhelming traditional defenses. Israel's answer is the Spark Swarm, developed by Elbit Systems. This system unleashes coordinated waves of micro-drones, each carrying a small warhead for kamikaze missions. Guided by AI, Spark Swarm drones communicate and adapt to the battlefield in real time, autonomously selecting and striking targets. By saturating enemy defenses, they exploit gaps in radar coverage and force adversaries to split their attention, making it nearly impossible to counter every incoming threat. This approach not only disrupts enemy operations, but also reduces the cost and risk associated with deploying larger, more expensive munitions. These systems do not operate in isolation. Their strength lies in how they are layered and integrated into a unified air defense network. Israel's strategy is built on a sequence of interceptors, each designed for a specific threat profile. Iron Dome handles short-range rockets and mortars, providing a first line of defense against mass barrages. SkySonic is positioned to intercept hypersonic missiles that travel too fast for conventional systems. Python 5 targets evasive aircraft and drones that slip through earlier layers, while Spark Swarm overwhelms with saturation attacks, ensuring even the most sophisticated enemy systems are kept off balance. This dynamic web of technologies provides multiple opportunities for interception, minimizing the risk of a successful attack and ensuring that no single point of failure can compromise the entire system. Israel's ability to sustain air superiority in the face of evolving threats is rooted in this layered approach. By combining precise targeting, adaptive AI, and rapid decision-making, the air defense network can identify, track, and neutralize threats before they reach critical infrastructure or population centers. The result is a proactive defense posture that adapts to new tactics and technologies as they emerge, maintaining a decisive edge in aerial combat. Yet, air dominance is only one part of the equation. The advantages gained in the sky must translate into tactical superiority on the ground, where rapid mobility, situational awareness, and AI-driven decision support are just as critical. As new threats emerge and battlefields become more complex, the question becomes, how can advanced technology help ground forces outpace and outthink their adversaries? Two soldiers in a high-tech tank can now make faster, more accurate decisions than entire enemy squads, thanks to Israel's integration of artificial intelligence into its ground vehicles. The Carmel combat vehicle is a prime example, reducing its crew from 3 to just 2 by relying on AI to streamline targeting and navigation. Inside, operators interact with digital touchscreens, augmented reality overlays, and voice commands, allowing them to manage complex tasks quickly and efficiently. The Carmel's AI not only assists with immediate threats, but also connects directly with infantry and drones through secure digital networks, ensuring real-time coordination across the battlefield. Where older vehicles struggle with limited awareness and slow response, Carmel's networked approach allows it to receive live drone feeds and share tactical data with ground forces. This means the vehicle acts as a mobile command center, processing information from multiple sources and distributing it instantly to those who need it. The result is a force that can adapt to shifting threats, prioritize targets, and respond with precision, all while minimizing risk to the crew. Mobility and survivability are equally critical on the modern battlefield. The Eton Armored Personnel Carrier, APC, addresses both with its wheeled design, reaching speeds over 90 kilometers per hour on roads and maintaining performance across difficult terrain. Capable of carrying 12 fully armed soldiers directly into combat, the Eton is built to keep up with fast-paced operations. Its Iron Fist active protection system detects and neutralizes incoming RPGs and anti-tank missiles mid-flight, providing a crucial layer of defense for both vehicle and passengers. This system ensures that troops can move rapidly and securely, even through environments saturated with anti-armor threats. The Eton's remote-controlled 30mm cannon and advanced onboard systems further support combat effectiveness on the move. As older tracked APCs are phased out, the Eton's combination of speed, protection, and digital integration is redefining how ground forces are deployed and supported in high-intensity conflict zones. The Merkava 5 Barak tank stands at the forefront of digitally enhanced armored warfare, debuting in 2026. Built by Israel's Ministry of Defense in partnership with Elbit Systems, the Barak incorporates sensor fusion, a 360-degree camera system, and a virtual assistant that aids the crew in identifying enemy positions, plotting optimal routes, and highlighting potential ambushes before they occur. Its AI-powered fire control system and fully digital turret allow for rapid target acquisition and engagement, while the latest Trophy Active Protection system intercepts incoming missiles and projectiles. Unlike previous generations, the Barak operates as a mobile AI command center, sharing data with other units in real time and integrating seamlessly into Israel's broader digital battlefield network. This connectivity ensures that every tank, vehicle, and infantry unit operates with the same up-to-date intelligence, enhancing coordination and increasing the odds of mission success. AI-driven systems do more than automate routine tasks. They filter out noise, highlight immediate dangers, and provide crews with clear, prioritized information. The Carmel's threat auto-prioritization, the Eton's integration with supporting units, and the Barak's virtual assistant all contribute to a faster, more informed decision-making process under pressure. These technologies not only protect lives, but also allow Israeli ground forces to maintain the initiative, even in rapidly changing combat situations. As these vehicles become operational, they mark a shift in how wars are fought on land. The fusion of AI, advanced sensors, and digital connectivity is transforming ground combat from a contest of brute force into one of speed, intelligence, and adaptability. But the evolution of warfare doesn't end here. The same principles driving change on the ground are also shaping new approaches at sea and in cyberspace, where stealth, precision, and digital disruption open up new frontiers in conflict. Naval and cyber warfare now shape the hidden front lines of modern conflict, where precision strikes and digital disruption define victory. Israel's approach in these domains centers on a triad of advanced systems: the Seabreaker missile, Sky Shield electronic warfare, and the cyber operations of Unit 8200. The Seabreaker, built by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, is a next-generation precision strike missile designed for contested maritime environments. With a range of over 150 kilometers, Seabreaker can be launched from ships, land installations, or submarines, giving Israeli forces flexibility in both offensive and defensive scenarios. Its electro-optical seeker, guided by artificial intelligence, enables the missile to visually identify and track moving targets mid-flight, even when GPS is jammed or unavailable. This human-like targeting allows Seabreaker to adjust course in real time, striking ships or coastal assets that would otherwise evade conventional missiles. By combining stealthy flight profiles with the ability to operate in GPS-denied environments, Seabreaker offers a first-strike advantage while minimizing exposure of Israeli assets to enemy countermeasures. While Seabreaker delivers precise, long-range firepower, electronic warfare is just as critical in today's naval battles. Sky Shield, developed by IAI ELTA, provides Israel with a digital barrier that disrupts and deceives enemy systems. Sky Shield works by jamming hostile radars, scrambling missile guidance, and blinding air defense networks, rendering adversaries unable to track or target Israeli forces. Its modular design allows deployment on a variety of platforms, from F-35 jets to drones and large transports, ensuring broad operational coverage. Integration with F-35s and NATO allies marks a shift toward coalition-based electronic dominance, amplifying its reach across multiple theaters. Artificial intelligence is at the core of Sky Shield's effectiveness. The system constantly analyzes the electronic environment, adapting its jamming and deception techniques to counter evolving threats. Unlike older electronic warfare tools that relied on brute force interference, Sky Shield uses targeted disruption to neutralize specific enemy capabilities, reducing collateral effects and allowing for more strategic application of electronic power. This focus on control, rather than destruction, gives Israeli forces the ability to shape the battle space before a single missile is launched. Cyber warfare completes the triad, with Unit 8200 at the helm of Israel's digital operations. Unit 8200's role extends beyond defense. Its teams routinely conduct preemptive cyber operations that compromise enemy command networks, disable missile launch systems, and gather intelligence to inform kinetic strikes. The unit's integration of cyber and physical operations was highlighted during the May 2025 missile interception over the Red Sea. In that incident, Houthi forces, backed by Iran, attempted to overwhelm Israeli defenses by pairing missile launches with coordinated cyber probes targeting critical infrastructure. Thanks to Unit 8200's preemptive actions, the cyber intrusions were neutralized and the incoming missiles were intercepted before reaching Israeli airspace. This episode underscored the growing reality of multi-domain attacks and the necessity of a seamless response across digital and kinetic fronts. The interplay between Seabreaker, Sky Shield, and Unit 8200 demonstrates how Israel's naval and cyber strategies are tightly interlocked. Seabreaker's precision strikes are most effective when enemy sensors are blinded by Sky Shield, and both are supported by cyber operations that disrupt adversary networks before conflict escalates. This layered approach ensures that Israeli forces can operate with initiative, striking first, defending effectively, and adapting quickly to new threats. As these technologies mature, they reinforce a broader shift in military thinking. Success is no longer measured solely by firepower or armor, but by the ability to integrate systems across domains, anticipate enemy moves, and adapt in real time. The synergy of advanced missiles, electronic warfare, and cyber capabilities is setting a new standard for how nations defend their interests at sea and in the digital realm. This interconnected defense network is more than a collection of impressive technologies. It's a model for future military strategy, where rapid data sharing, flexible responses, and unified operations define the outcome of conflict. Understanding how these pieces fit together offers a glimpse into the next era of warfare, where the boundary between physical and digital battlefields continues to blur. Looking at Israel's evolving military strategy, what stands out is the seamless integration of air, land, sea, and cyber capabilities into a single coordinated force. Systems like Iron Beam for air defense, Carmel for ground operations, Seabreaker for naval strikes, and Unit 8200 for cyber warfare each represent a domain. But their real strength comes from how they operate together, sharing intelligence, automating decisions, and responding in real time. As these technologies become more autonomous and data-driven, the question shifts to which domain will shape the future of conflict most profoundly. Let us know in the comments which area you find most transformative, and subscribe for deeper breakdowns of these advanced systems. Integrated, AI-enabled, and multi-domain, this is the shape of conflict in 2026.